Hi everyone, hello once again. Now, of course, I've already shown you what we can do in virtual reality. I wanted to show you one more project, which is on the apartment side, and this has got certain unique features to it. Okay, I'm going to be loading up this particular project, and this particular project is again for one of the developers in Doha who have come up with about 230 odd or maybe 280 odd villas, vertical villas over a huge development itself. Now, when we load up this particular model, there are certain unique things about this particular project. This is a project that starts from an animation as well. Okay, and this particular product that you see has been designed to play specifically on a very high level type of computing opportunities. Okay, but it also have got certain features like some videos that you're seeing right now is a video that is a pre-recorded video, but the uniqueness is that there is no video. It is a rendering. It is a rendering which is happening as what I'm speaking within the computer or on the cloud. So when you see and when you look at the textures and the detailing, the resolution, the depth of each and every material that is over here, it is all being done at the same time within a small laptop that I'm using. And as you see, and once we move away from the pre-decided videos and showcasing a couple of areas, I'm going to take you through a walk around within this area and show you how these unique virtual reality models work around. You will also see, in my list of videos, various different videos which showcases that the same model can be taken up using a virtual reality headset if you wish to, but it's completely a user option, whether you use a virtual reality headset or you can use it just with simple mouse. That is over here. Again, keyboard, of course, we have used WASD, which is the standard gaming things. And of course, now I'm going to press spacebar to move on and start my walkthrough. So as I move my mouse, you can see I can move around to any of the directions. And now I can start walking around as well. Okay, now again, I love fishes and fish ponds. So I can stand over here for maybe a couple of minutes and see, okay, the fish pond, these animations are never going to go to end. These are infinity loops that move around. And we can move around into various different areas. Okay, sounds interesting. There's a gramophone over here. Okay, I wanted to see. So I made a quick note on the gramophone. It starts playing. And now I look around to the entire environment. Now I'm again walking. Now this is definitely one of the settings that we have done. We can give various different features over here. Like for example, I can play the video over here, but I will come down to that particular menu bar later on. So over here, I now go to the TV. I just activated it. Oh, nice match, nice music. Maybe time to have a little bit of grab. Okay, now I can get into my kitchen. Oh, wow, interesting. So you can see something cooking. Is there something? We got something cooking there. In virtual reality, the good part is that you can even bend, you can sit down. Now in walkthrough mode, which is right now a real-time rendering, I can only do things which are at a certain level or a certain level of my perspective. I'll go out. Oh, looks interesting. Yeah, maybe I'm sure you guys must be feeling hungry. A lot of chicken and meat over here. This is the overall development size, how it looks outside. Different textures. Maybe you want to have a seat. What about a glass of wine? Next feature, I will definitely make sure that you are able to pick the bottle of wine and pour it yourself. But you can feel the texture, you can feel the detail, the level of details that is normally missing out when you are doing a walkthrough video, because you cannot really capture all these minor details in there, because one, the idea is to do a per minute show, Over here, nothing is permanent. You don't know where your clients are going to spend time, where they want to stand, and where they want to see things around. These are the same things. Okay, these candles, what you saw earlier, they're still burning. Okay, you have got some candles over here. You can definitely exit and see what is outside, but let me take you towards a couple of more features where I would try to play down with some furniture elements. So I need to climb up these staircases. You get to see the depth, and you get to see the quality of each and every model itself. So let me just play some piano. Okay, that's kids room, that's the master bedroom. Can I switch on the lights? Yes, I think so. So I can switch on the lights, and you can see that the whole environment changes on the real-time basis. Switch on, switch off. Okay, what about these beds? So we get an icon. I can change these beds. Wow, now this is something that is a very important feature, because based on what our clients are asking for and what they are looking for, we can always uh, try to make customized solutions for them, and these solutions then can be utilized anywhere. Okay, so again, standard that we saw on the ground floor. Maybe I wanted to have a different video or a different kind of feature. Like I can increase the volume a bit. Nice, nice mood music, isn't it? But the good part is that all these models, tomorrow you come back and say, hey, I wanted to change the texture. It's not rocket science. You can change it without any of big things. Okay, big issues. So bathrooms. And similarly, you can get to the kids' room. We can pick up interactive things. We can always, okay, play something small and say, hey, okay, fine, I wanted to play around over here. Kids' room, you can always decorate it the way you want it. So the bathroom over here, we can get out. And then you have got guests' room over here as well, which is the third room. You can, decorate it, design it, and leave it the way you want it. Now, one of the most important things in both these areas that I've showcased you is that what we wanted to showcase is not the capability of the or our capability, but it's the advantage of how you can actually you can work around with virtual reality, where you can actually work around within the space of technology and create solutions that are wonderful, that are remote. People don't need to visit you physically. They can be lured to see something that they want to imagine. You can judge their taste. You can find out where they spend most of the time. You get a lot of data which comes at the back of it, which helps you not only just to look at the preferences of people, but also to design and see, what you need for maybe your next project, okay, or maybe how you can actually create wonderful experiences for your customer. So data is the key, and that's the king, and that is what we are doing at Sonovatech, creating virtual environments not only to give you nice environments, but also to give you data that actually helps you out in terms of analyzing, deciding, and closing it onto your customers. What your competitors cannot do is this is what you can actually create. Of course, quality product requires quality time, but that's our main outlook: how to optimize production time and give you the best of the quality. So, guys, I'm signing out. I hope you're able to understand the capabilities of virtual world in infrastructure. We have got a lot more projects, but yeah, I need to leave something while we discuss and meet face to face, maybe online sometime next. Take care. Thank you so much, and have a great time.